Alright, the first try was less than spectacular. This needs to be here, and this needs to be here, but it needs to be in line, not at an angle, clearly. This bracket is going to have to be lessened. I'm contacting the hole right down there. So I've got the ability to take this triangular corner off. That's not a big deal. But on the other side, I really can't do anything with that. But I only need probably an inch. And it looks like this stringer's been notched already. I think I can notch this a little more and still maintain integrity.